Good morning all. In digital electronics, today we will discuss Boolean laws. डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में बुलियन लॉस को जनरली यूज करते हैं किसी एक्सप्रेशन को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए. सो देयर आर टोटल 10 different laws of 10 different Boolean laws in digital electronics. We will run each one of these one by one. So first law, it is called as the law of union. लॉ ऑफ यूनियन में दो लॉज होते हैं. इट इज a प्लस 0 इज इक्वल्स टू a. सेकेंड वन, a प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. अगर इनका सर्किट इंप्लीमेंटेशन को डिस्कस करेंगे तो सर्किट इंप्लीमेंटेशन में हम लोग फोकस करेंगे ये जो सिंबल्स है. अगर प्लस है तो हम यूज करेंगे और गेट. इफ द साइन इट इज प्लस वी विल यूज दिस और गेट. इफ द साइन इट इज डॉट वी विल यूज द एंड गेट. ये ट्रिक्स है सर्किट इंप्लीमेंटेशन का और इसी पर बेस्ड हम लोग सभी लॉस को जानेंगे और उसका सर्किट इंप्लीमेंटेशन भी करेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट लॉ, इट इज a प्लस 0 इज इक्वल्स टू a. सो a प्लस 0, so we will target on this sign, this is plus, so we will use the OR gate. A two input OR gate has two input and one output. The two inputs in this expression are a and 0 and the output is a. So we will write for this two input OR gate, one input we will declare as a, another input as 0 and the output as a. So this is the circuit implementation of this equation a plus 0 is equals to a. Next we will implement this function a plus 1 is equals to 1. Again we will target this plus sign, and for this plus sign we will use a OR gate. So since there are two input a and 1, so here I have used a two input OR gate. For this two input OR gate, the two inputs are a and 1, so we will declare this is at a, this is at 1 and the output is 1. So this is the circuit level implementation of this equation, that is a plus 1 is equals to 1. Next law, it is called as law of intersection. In law of intersection we have two laws. One, it is a dot 0 is equals to 0. Another one is a dot 1 is equals to a. So as I have mentioned in my previous lecture, we will target on this sign. If it is dot, so as I have mentioned in my previous slide, if it is a dot we will use a AND gate. If it is a plus we will use the OR gate. So in this expression you can see a dot 0 is equals to 0. So for this dot we have to use a AND gate. And in this expression you can see there are two inputs a and 0. So here I have used a two input AND gate. one input, these two are the input terminal and this is the output terminal. So for this two input AND gate, the two input A and 0 are represented like this. This is the input A, this is the input 0 and the output is 0. So this is the circuit level representation of this expression A dot 0 is equals to 0. Next we will perform the circuit level implementation of A dot 1 is equals to A. Again we will target this dot sign, and for this dot we have to use a AND gate. And in this expression there are two inputs, so I need a two input AND gate, and here the input are mentioned A and 1. So here I will mention the inputs A and 1 and the output is A. Okay. The third law, it is called as law of tautology. In law of tautology, again we have two laws. It is A plus A is equals to A, and the another law, it is A dot A is equals to A. So as I have mentioned, again we will try the circuit level implementation of this equation and this equation. So for the first equation, A plus A is equals to A, we will target on this sign, it's a plus, so we have to use a OR gate. And in this equation there are two inputs A and A, so I have to use a two input OR gate. It consists of two input and both are A, and the output is also A, right? Next, in this equation A dot A is equals to A, so for this dot I need to use a AND gate, and since there are two inputs, so I need a two input AND gate. A two input AND gate will have two inputs and one output, and according to this equation the inputs are A, and the output is A. So the input I have mentioned here A, and the corresponding output is also A. Okay. Next law, it is called as law of complement. In law of complement we have two laws. A plus A bar is equals to 1. The second law, it is A dot A bar is equals to 0. Next, similarly we will try the circuit level implementation of this equation and the circuit level implementation of this equation. For the first equation, it is A plus A bar is equals to 1. We will target on this plus sign. So for this plus sign we need to use a OR gate. Since in this expression there are two inputs A and A bar, so I need to use a two input OR gate, and the inputs are A and A bar, and the corresponding output according to this equation is 1, so we will write 1 here, right? Next, for this expression A dot A bar is equals to 0, we will target on this sign, it's a dot, so we need to use a AND gate, right? And here there are two input variables A and A bar, so I need to use a two input AND gate. A two input AND gates, the inputs are A and A bar, so I will write A and A bar here. The output of this expression A dot A bar is equals to 0, so the output of this AND gate is also equals to 0. डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में कई दफ़ा ऐसा सिचुएशन राइज होगा जहां हमारे पास ओरिजिनल इनपुट ए एंड ए बार दोनों सर्किट में नेसेसरी होगा. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन प्रैक्टिकल केसेस we have only the original signal A, and from that signal we have to generate the complement of the signal A bar. So in practical cases, if we have signal A, in order to generate A bar, we have connected one inverter circuit like this. So similarly, A से A bar generate करने के लिए हमने signal A को एक इन्वर्टर से पास किया, A bar generate किया और उसे जहां हमारा A bar रिक्वायरमेंट है वहां हमने उसको सप्लाई कर दिया. Similarly, in this circuit, we have the original signal A. In order to generate this complement signal A bar, we will connect an inverter circuit like this. Okay. Next law, it is called as law of double complement. According to the law of double complement, A bar is equals to A, right? So in order to make the circuit level implementation of this expression, so let's suppose first I have the signal A. It has to pass through another signal. It has to pass through an inverter circuit in order to generate the A bar. Now the complement of A bar is equals to the A. So the complement of A bar, in order to generate the complement of A bar, this A bar signal is again need to pass through an inverter circuit, and it will give you the output A. Next Boolean law, it is called as law of commutation. Law of commutation. In this law, there are two equations. One, it is A plus B is equals to B plus A. Okay. The another expression, it is A dot B is equals to B dot A. इस लॉ में सबसे पहले हम A प्लस बी को जनरेट करेंगे. उसके लिए एक अलग सर्किट लेवल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का जरूरत पड़ेगा. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल मेक द सर्किट लेवल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन B plus A, right? Similarly, in this expression, one circuit we will make to generate this expression A dot B, and we will make another circuit to generate the signal that is B dot A. So first of all, we will make the circuit level implementation of this expression, that is A plus B. Again we will target on this sign, it's a plus, so I need a OR gate. So in this expression A plus B, I need a OR gate. For this OR gate there are two inputs A and B, so I will write this at A, this is as A, this is as B, and the output is A plus B. Again, for this expression B plus A, for this plus sign I need a OR gate. Right? There are two inputs B and A, so I have used here a two input OR gate. The inputs are B and A, and it will give you the output b plus a. So according to this equation, these inputs, practically this number a plus b and b plus a should be same. Next we will do the circuit level implementation of a dot b. For this dot I need a AND gate. There are two inputs, so I need a two input AND gate. The inputs are a and b, so I will write a and b, and this is the output a dot b. Now for this expression b dot a, for this dot I need a AND gate. There are two inputs b and a, so I need a two input AND gate. This input I declare it as b, this is at a, and this is the output, that is b dot a. And according to this equation, this a dot b should be practically equals to b dot a. Next Boolean law, it is called as law of association. In law of association, we have two laws. A plus inside bracket b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. And the second law, it is a dot b into c is equals to a dot b inside bracket into c. Again we will follow the same procedure. We will first implement this, we will first do the circuit level implementation of this expression a plus inside bracket b plus c, and in the next circuit we will perform the circuit level implementation of inside bracket a plus b plus c. Similarly, in this expression, first we will do the circuit level implementation of this left side, then we will do the circuit level implementation on the right side. So first we have to generate the signal which is written inside the bracket. So in this left side, this b plus c, it is written inside the bracket. So we will first generate b plus c. For this plus, we have to use a OR gate. There are two input b and c, so I need a two input OR gate. It is b, it is c, it gives you the signal b plus c. Next, this signal is added with this a. So this signal plus a, for this plus again I need a OR gate. This time this input, it is a, and it gives you a plus inside bracket b plus c, right? Next we will try this expression. In this expression, this a plus b, it is written inside the bracket. So first we will generate this signal, and for this plus I need a OR gate. The input are a and b, so I will write here it is a, here it is b, and the output it is a plus b. This a plus b is plus with c, so again for this plus sign I need a OR gate. One input to the OR gate, it is a plus b, another input to the OR gate is c, and it gives you the signal a plus b plus c. Next we will try the circuit level implementation of this left side, which is a dot inside bracket b dot c. So first we will do the circuit level implementation for this expression, that is b dot c written inside the bracket. So for this dot I need the AND gate. There are two input, so here I am giving the two input. These are b and c. It gives you the output B dot C. Finally this B dot C, it is now AND with this signal A. So for this dot, again I need a AND gate, and one input it is B dot C, another input it is A. So ultimately it gives you the signal A dot inside bracket B dot C. Next we will do the circuit level implementation on this side. So in this side, in this right side, this expression A dot B, it is written inside the bracket. So first I will do the circuit level implementation for A dot B. For this A dot B, I need a AND gate. There are two inputs A and B, so I need a 2-input AND gate. The inputs are A and B, and it gives you the signal A dot B. Finally, this A dot B, it is AND with C, so I need another AND gate, another 2-input AND gate. One input should be A dot B, the another input should be C, and it gives you the output signal A dot B dot C. So according to this law of association, the output A plus B plus C should be same as that of this A plus B plus C. Similarly, the output, this signal A dot B dot C is equals to A dot B dot C. Okay. Next law, it is called as law of distribution. In law of distribution, we have two laws. One, it is A dot B plus C is equals to AB plus BC. The another law, it is A plus B dot A plus C, it is equals to A plus BC. सो जैसा लास्ट एग्जांपल में हम किए थे, सबसे पहले लेफ्ट साइड को सर्किट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे, देन राइट साइड को सर्किट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे. सो फॉर दिस केस, in the left side B plus C, it is written inside the bracket. So first we will generate B plus C. So for B plus C, for this plus sign we need a OR gate, and there are two inputs, so I need a 2-input OR gate. The 2-input OR gates, the inputs are B and C, and it will give you the signal B plus C. Now this signal B plus C, it is AND with A, so for this I need a 2-input AND gate. One input is B plus C, the another input it is A, and it gives you the signal A dot B plus C at the output. Next we will implement this function AB plus BC. For this AB, that is A dot B plus B dot C. So first we will generate A dot B. So for this A dot B, I need a AND gate. There are two inputs A and B, so I will use a 2-input AND gate. It is A, it is B, and it gives you the signal A dot B at the output. Next I will generate B dot C. Similarly, for B dot C also I need a AND gate, and there are two input B and C, so I need a 2-input AND gate B and C, and it gives you B dot C at the output. Now AB, one signal is AB, another signal is BC, and this plus sign represents the OR operation. So for this OR operation I need a OR gate. One input is A dot B, another input is B dot C, and it gives you the output A dot B plus B dot C. So according to this equation, the output signal this from this circuit implementation and the output expression of this from this circuit implementation should be same. Next we will implement this function. So first we will implement the left side. It is inside bracket a plus b and with inside bracket a dot c. So first we will generate this signal a plus b. For this plus sign I need a OR gate. For a plus b there are two inputs a and b, and it gives you the output a plus b. Next expression is a plus c. Similarly I need for a plus c I need another OR gate. The inputs are a and c, so I need a two input OR gate. It is a c, it is a plus c at the output, and finally a plus b and with a plus c. So this signal is a plus b, this signal is a plus c. I need the AND operation, so I will use a AND gate here, and it gives you the signal a plus b dot a plus c at the output. Next we will implement a plus bc. To implement the circuit level implementation of this expression, first we will implement this bc. So for this bc I need a AND gate. The inputs are b and c, and it gives you the output bc. Finally this bc, it is OR with a, so this is a, and here it is a plus bc. Next law, it is the law of absorption. In law of absorption we have these 5 laws. So this is an assignment to all of you, that try to do the circuit level implementation of all these Boolean expression. And the last law is very important. And the last law is very important law, and this is called as De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. In De Morgan's theorem we have two laws. One, it is a plus b whole bar is equals to a bar dot b bar, and the next is a dot b whole bar is equals to a bar plus b bar. So सर्किट लेवल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देखेंगे. सबसे पहले a plus b whole bar. So first we will generate a plus b. To generate a plus b I need OR gate. The inputs are a and b. The output is a plus b. To make the complement of this signal a plus b, I need to pass this signal a plus b through an inverter, and it gives you the output a plus b whole bar. Next we have to implement this function a bar dot b bar. So for this dot I need to use a AND gate. There are two inputs a bar and b bar, so I need a two input AND gate. One input it is a bar, another input is b bar, and it gives you the output a bar dot b bar. And in my previous slides I have mentioned in digital electronics many times we have the original signal a and we have to generate the complement signal a bar. Similarly here also, if we have the signal a, we have to generate this signal a bar by using an inverter circuit like this. So ultimately we have the original signal a, we have passed this signal a through an inverter, and we have generated this signal a bar. Similarly we have the signal B, pass it through an inverter, it gives you B bar, and this makes the implementation of this expression A bar dot B bar. Next, we have to implement A dot B whole bar. So first we will generate A dot B. To generate A dot B, I need a AND gate. There are two inputs A and B. So here I will mention A and B. It gives you the output A dot B. Finally, this A dot B, it need to pass through an inverter circuit. So we have connected this output A dot B through an inverter circuit, and it gives you the output A dot B whole bar. On the right side, we have the expression A bar plus B bar. For this plus, I need a OR gate. The inputs to this OR gate are A bar and B bar. So this is A bar, this is B bar, and again we have to generate this signal A bar from A, and we have to generate this signal B bar from B. So how to generate A bar from A? We have to pass the signal A. We have to pass the signal A from an inverter, and it gives you the signal A bar. Similarly, if we have the signal B, we have to pass this signal B through an inverter, and it gives you B bar. And finally, at the output, you will get the signal A bar plus B bar. So thank you all. In this lecture, we have discussed the different Boolean laws in digital electronics.